Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you a collection of best creative garden pathways designed to add style and functionality to your outdoor space ideas. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. As homeowners, we are always looking for ways to add value and beauty to our outdoor space. One of the best ways to do this is by creating a creative garden pathway. A pathway is an essential element in landscape design, serving as both a functional and aesthetic feature. It not only guides visitors to your garden but also enhances the overall look and feel of your outdoor space. So, how do you make a creative garden path? There are several ways to create a garden path, depending on your style preference, budget, and available space. Here are some ideas to help you get started. 1. Stepping stones pathway. 2. Gravel pathway. 3. Brick pathway. 4. Concrete pathway. 5. Mulch pathway. 6. Pebble mosaic pathway. 7. Wood slice pathway. 8. Crushed shells pathway. 9. Grass pavers pathway. 10. Flagstone pathway. The cheapest way to create a garden path is by using mulch or gravel. They are inexpensive and easy to install, making them ideal for a DIY project. Mulch and gravel are also low maintenance, which means you won't have to spend a lot of time and money maintaining them. However, the best way to make a garden path depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you want a durable and long-lasting pathway, you can opt for a concrete or brick pathway. These materials are strong and can withstand heavy foot traffic and extreme weather conditions. For a more natural look, you can choose a flagstone or wood slice pathway, which blends well with the surrounding environment. A pathway in landscape design is a deliberate design element that guides visitors through your outdoor space. It helps to create a sense of order and purpose, enhancing the overall aesthetics of your garden. A pathway can also be used to divide different areas of your garden, such as a seating area or a vegetable garden. In conclusion, a creative garden pathway is an excellent way to enhance the beauty and functionality of your outdoor space. With these top 10 creative garden pathway ideas, you can create a stunning pathway that will wow your visitors and make your home garden stand out. So, what are you waiting for? Get started on your creative garden pathway today. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best creative garden pathways, design ideas for your inspiration. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.